guys! Welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel if you're subscribed already. Yes, I don't know. Maybe. So yeah, today, new setup. Yes, you can probably see. I'm home. I'm back in my hometown kasi religion tsaka fiesta and the birthdays is coming soon. So today I'm going to show you guys my backpack. My current traveling backpack is this. I have showed you guys the traveling purse that I've got. I will leave the link down below or in the I button somewhere here or there. So this was my bag previously. So this one is wala to masyadong laman. This bag was in my luggage. So basically wala to dito. But yeah. So disclaimer, if you oh my god, look at that. If you see me in my previous vlog with this outfit, yes, it's a continuation, but not really a continuation. It's a different video, it's a vlog. Yeah. So same day yun na. I think we probably uploaded yesterday, maybe. So yes. Let's start about our bag. So this is my bag. My mom gave me this. It's from a bag designed by SPC. I don't know where, but my mom gave me this. It's a leather bag and it's rectangular leather bag. It's really cute. It's not that cute, but it's uniquely cute, that one. So it's really just all black with the straps here and some foam in with it inside the straps. It also has a has this adjustable bag, one strap, and a black hardware. So first things first, you can see is this scarf. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng scarf kasi to have a pop of color. This one is I've got this already long ago. So, nilagyan ko lang siya para may konting, pizzazz. Or, sa lag, yan lang siya. Pwede naman ganong black talaga, diba? It's too boring, it's too plain. So, not that type of girl. So, nilagyan ko lang dito and then, yeah. Ganda na siya. So, let's open what's inside. So, in this first pocket, the outside pocket, what is in here are my wallets. Here, this one is my wallet. This one is my coin purse depends. I usually use this when I go out and I don't bring a lot of big bags, so I will use this. And then my card wallet. I'm going to show you guys. I put this in my last purse, and then what's inside? Oh my god, trash. It's not trash really. Itinerary and my lip tint. Oh my god, and then a flash drive, transcend flash drive. So yun, that's what's inside. Yan lang naman ang the front pocket, and then let's open her up. So in the zipper, lagyan ko lang ito na keychain. I've already explained this, the meaning of this in my previous vlog. Check that out. Let's open it. So, okay. Ito siya. Meron siyang pockets dito. But I don't have things to be put in here. So, yeah. Before that, nilagay ko dito yung charger. But, maglulubat na kayo. So, charge ko na yan. And yan, nilabas ko na siya. So, yun ang lang naman. And then, in the first, tignan nyo, may tatlong pocket siya. Zip pocket. And then like a pouch here. So the first pouch, the only pouch that is our house keys. The other one, there's nothing inside. And then this basically is my lunch because we don't have one of the important things. I don't put makeup here, but my makeup's on my luggage and everything like that. There, pero hindi na mabigat yung mabigat eh. So here are my files, my documents for work, from certificates, the resumes, the passport, the Simmons book, and all that. Everything is in here. I always carry this, if possible, in my bag, or if I'm using the luggage, just the luggage that I got. I'm not putting it in my bag because it's heavy. Then, charger for my laptop, my Acer laptop. Then my laptop in this pocket. Here is the laptop pocket, I think, here. So here is my laptop. Again, can't you notice my color lighting? I have black, 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 black. I have the black purse. I have a lot of blacks. I have yours, pure are black. A phone, black, and yeah, that's. I have all black. I think I love blacks, but I have a black pants. Yeah, white, black. What else is black? Head, blank, well. So yes. Well, that's it, guys. Yun lang naman. I don't really have a lot of things in my travel bag. Because I already told you to bring my makeup in my bag because it's really heavy. I don't have anything else. It depends. If I'm traveling in the daytime, I usually bring sunglasses, but I was traveling at night, so nilagay ko sa luggage ko, and then yes, that's it. Food, I've already eaten it. I don't put it here. My food, I put it in my luggage too. Waters in my luggage. Everything that's really heavy there. Pasalubong in my luggage. So yes, I think that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts: Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. I'm not really active TikTok now. So should I be back again? Well, we'll see about that. And yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video if you like it, and comment down below what you want me to do next challenges. Kasi dito lang sa hometown. Wait for the reunion vlogs or Fiesta vlogs or birthday vlogs. My best friend's birthday is coming soon. Watch out for that. And yes, that's it, guys. Watching again. Ulit na lang.